Right, people, Bespoke Flooring Solutions Limited in London. Another demonstration, another video how to cut carpet and fit in the corner. Very simple. If you ever do your own room, just fold it in V shape and then basically get your knife in the corner with 10mm extra and cut it in V shape, as you can see in the video. Nice and simple. Fold it, cut the extra bit off, put it back in, cut the other extra bit off, and then stretch it to the right hand side. Make sure it's hooked on onto the gripper pins, tight as possible. Make sure there's tension, and then stretch it to the left hand side. Make sure there's tension on the carpet, and then cut it once it's stretched to the gripper. There are two ways to cut. I prefer this sideway cut. Make sure you've got a nice sharp blade. Cut it and tuck it in with a tugger knife, or you can use stair tool tugger, which is a bigger one, but I prefer this one. And then the second way is cutting from the back of the carpet, as you can see in the video. So this is nice and slow video, you can watch and learn. There's a short version of it on the short YouTube for a minute. This is almost 2.5 minutes, so you can see and watch it yourself and learn it and do your own room. So yeah, I'm cutting again from the back of the carpet, so you can see both demonstration and learn it and do it whichever way you feel comfortable with. Tuck it into the gripper. Nice and neat. Let's move on to cut it from sideway. Again, just cut it from sideway. Push your knife forward. And that's it really. Two ways how to cut the carpet and stretch into gripper in the corner of the room. What a lovely job. There are many other corners to do, but job done for this video, and there'll be many videos to come. Thank you very much for watching our channel. Don't forget to subscribe.